When a loved one passes away, dealing with their estate can be a laborious process, both emotionally and technically. A small estate affidavit is a written document that allows the rightful heirs to inherit a deceased person's estate without going through the long and complicated process of probate court. States have their own laws governing this process. In Michigan, a small estate affidavit is legally known as an affidavit of decedent's successor for delivery of certain assets owned by decedent. In this video, we'll discuss how a small estate affidavit works, requirements under Michigan state law, and what steps you can take to file a petition. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of free legal documents. And be sure to watch until the end of this video to find a link to a fillable form for small estate affidavits in Michigan. First, let's review how a small estate affidavit works. A small estate affidavit allows the estate to bypass the probate process, which involves going to court to figure out who gets what. When a small estate affidavit is filed by a rightful heir and no one objects to the small estate filing, the filing party will receive the assets and properties of the estate when all of the decedent's debts are paid off. This process usually takes a fraction of the time that it takes for a probate procedure to move through court. So, what do Michigan state laws say about small estate affidavits? Michigan state law requires that you wait 28 days after the death of the estate owner to file the affidavit. To qualify as a small estate in Michigan, the estate in question must be valued at less than $15,000. However, this amount is subject to the cost of living adjustments according to the rates provided by the state treasurer. Lastly, Michigan state law requires that the affidavit is signed by a notary public. Here are 3 key steps to the small estate affidavit process in Michigan. Step 1, collect the information and documents. During the required 28-day wait period after the death of the estate owner, it's recommended that you begin collecting required information such as names and addresses of all individuals entitled to the estate. Also, acquire a copy of the death certificate and the will if it exists. Step 2, fill out the affidavit. Complete the affidavit using the information collected and get it notarized. Step 3, file with the property holder. Present these documents to the individual or entity holding the decedent's property. If you are in need of an official Michigan small estate affidavit form or any other forms regarding estate planning, probate, and more, we have thousands of state-specific ready-to-go templates available for you to download.